Imagine being able to design your own AI assistant, one that doesn't just chat, but actually thinks, reacts, connects to your apps, and executes complex workflows, all without writing a single line of code. That's what Sim.AI promises to deliver. A visual canvas where you can build and deploy intelligent agents that feel almost alive. Sim.AI. It calls itself a workflow-based agent builder, and after spending some time with it, I can honestly say it's one of the most polished tools I've seen in the no-code AI space. So let's dive in. Now here's where Sim.AI starts to show its real power. Beyond the basics, you can set up parallel execution, so multiple agents or tasks run simultaneously. You can also create nested workflows, meaning one agent can trigger another. The webhook block allows you to integrate almost any external app or API. Want to connect your Notion database, Slack channel, or CRM system? Just drop in a webhook, paste the endpoint, and your agent is now multi-platform. There's also a router block, which acts like a smart decision maker. It can redirect flows based on logic or even AI responses. This is what enables multi-agent collaboration. One AI can summarize data, another can analyze it, and a third can take action, all within a single workflow. It's modular, scalable, and surprisingly efficient. Sim.AI isn't tied to one language model either. It supports OpenAI, Anthropic's Claude, Google's Gemini, and even allows for custom API integrations if you have your own model endpoint. That means you can mix and match different LLMs depending on what you need. Head over to Sim.AI. To get started, you can sign up directly with your Google account, which makes onboarding incredibly quick. Within seconds, you're dropped into the main dashboard. No long forms, no endless tutorials, just a ready-to-go workspace. The platform immediately introduces you to its visual workflow canvas, and you can already tell this isn't just another chatbot builder. It's something bigger. Once you're inside the dashboard, you're greeted with a blank canvas where everything happens. On the left, you'll see a library of blocks. These are the building pieces of your agent. Each block represents an action, a condition, a loop, or a trigger. You can drag and drop them into the workspace and connect them with lines that define how data flows between them. It's very reminiscent of tools like Zapier or Flowise, but with a deeper AI-centric twist. The top navigation gives you access to settings, integrations, and model configurations. The moment you start dragging blocks, you realize how much thought has gone into the user experience. It's smooth, responsive, and feels like a premium developer environment without needing any code. Now, once you're inside Sim.AI, this is the templates dashboard, and this is where the magic really starts. Think of it like your shortcut library. Instead of building an automation or agent from scratch, Sim.AI gives you ready-made blueprints that you can use instantly. At the top, you can see a search bar where you can look up any kind of template you need, whether it's for marketing, sales, finance, customer support, or even AI-powered workflows. Right below that, Sim.AI automatically groups these templates into different categories, making it super easy to find what fits your use case. For example, you'll notice templates related to Gmail automation, AI models, lead generation, and even things like web crawling or message analysis. Each of these tiles represents a complete, pre-built workflow, and you can see who created it, how many people are using it, and a quick description of what it does. If you look closely, each template card has a Use button, and that's all you need to click to instantly load that workflow into your workspace. Now, once you click on Add Trigger, this window pops up, and this is where you decide how your automation should start. Triggers are basically the starting point for any workflow inside Sim.AI. Below that, there's a set of integration triggers. These connect directly with popular apps and services like Gmail, Google Forms, Slack, Airtable, GitHub, WhatsApp, and more. Imagine we want to create an AI workflow that automatically reads data from a Google Sheet, analyzes each entry for sentiment, and then sends a personalized email response based on the tone of that message. In Sim.AI, this is surprisingly easy. First, I drag in a Google Sheets block, connect it to a loop block so it iterates through each row, then add an evaluator block to analyze the sentiment using GPT-4 or Gemini. After that, I connect a condition block that checks if the sentiment is positive or negative. Finally, I attach a response block that sends an email using Gmail integration. The connections visually represent the logic. You can literally see how your AI thinks and reacts. Once it's linked together, you hit Run Workflow, and within seconds, Sim.AI starts processing each lead, generating replies automatically. Watching it all unfold is incredibly satisfying. It feels like you've built your own mini AI company inside a browser. Mix and match different LLMs depending on what you need. Maybe use GPT-4 for reasoning, Claude for summarization, and Gemini for fact-based queries. This flexibility is a big deal because it future-proofs your workflows. You're never locked into one ecosystem, and you can optimize for cost or performance anytime. And that's all you need to click to instantly load that workflow into your workspace. From there, you can customize it, connect your own accounts, and tweak it for your specific goal. So basically, instead of starting from a blank canvas, this templates page lets you start from a working example. Now let's talk about the cost side. Sim.AI has a free community plan which gives you limited credits to experiment. It's perfect for learning the ropes or testing smaller projects. But once you start scaling or need team features, the Pro and Team plans kick in, unlocking higher usage limits, more integrations, and advanced features like private workflows and analytics. Compared to other AI orchestration platforms, Sim.AI's pricing actually feels fair, especially considering the level of polish and performance it offers. If you're serious about AI automation, the paid tiers could easily justify their cost just through the time they save. To wrap things up, Sim.AI feels like a glimpse into the next stage of the AI revolution, where anyone, regardless of coding background, can design and deploy powerful, intelligent agents. Whether you're automating business tasks, building AI-powered customer support, or experimenting with creative workflows, this tool gives you the framework to make it happen visually. If you want to try it out, I've dropped the official link down below. Explore it, play around, and let me know in the comments what kind of agents you end up building. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon, because every week we uncover more cutting-edge tools and ideas right here on AI LedgerX. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.